Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the number one stock that you should be keeping in your watch list for the rest of December. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of you who dropped your stocks of interest in last night's video. All right, so let's get started right off the bat. What we have is the SPY. I drew that line yesterday morning, and right now we are below by 0.71%. All right. So we're getting that red day that I wanted to see yesterday. Honestly, I don't think this is going to last for too long. This is the red day that I wanted to see. We are at 6,200. Honestly, I think we go sideways. We here for a while, and then next week things might get interesting. But as of right now, I think today might be just a slow day. A slow, not too crazy day, and I think we're just gonna hang down here for just a bit. That is my very honest opinion of the SPY for those of you who trade the SPY. All right, and now let's talk about the number one stock. And the number one stock that you should be keeping in your watch list is RKT. All right. Now, RKT, the reason why I mentioned that, a lot of you have been asking for the stock, and I didn't want to talk about the stock when we were over here. I didn't. But now there is a nice pullback right over here. As you see, it dropped yesterday, and now it's a little bit lower, which is good. And it's at a good price for a dip buy. It may go just a bit lower to like $20.18 and then bounce back. But the reason why I wanted to share this one with y'all is because of the 4-hour chart. All right, it's very easy. It's very obvious. It's right on the chart. There is the reverse head and shoulders right here. All right, it's very bullish. It's very clean, and I like it. All right. Now, where do I see the stock going? Honestly, I do see the stock going probably by $25 by the last week of November. All right. I'm waiting for this thing to like break this neckline. This neckline might break a little sooner, but the price target would be over here around $25 in this region right over here. It could surprise us and go even higher before then, but to be conservative and for the sake of being like reasonable, I think this is a reasonable price target. All right, the leg line is right there, so watch this thing for a retest. All right, to test out these short sellers right around over here. Okay, their stop loss is right above it. That's why this pattern works so well. So keep Rocket Mortgage on your watch list for December. Now, let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. Somebody asked about Best Buy. And is Best Buy a good dip buy right now? Is it? Honestly, I do like what I see on here. I do. I do. I did say previously that I wanted to see at $91. The market is down right now and it's down by $1. There is a lot of buyers coming in right here, and there is a bullish hammer, which somebody mentioned. Yes, I do see it. It looks very bullish, and honestly, if we can just hold this level for a while, then this could be a great opportunity for a dip buy all the way back up to $111. All right, but as of right now, I'm being very patient with it, and I'm just seeing how it behaves at that specific level as we move on forward. All right, so definitely keep Best Buy on a watch list for sure. It got demolished over here. That triple top was very clean. Short sellers made their money, and they will be looking to take their money off the table very, very soon, unless there is some violent drop. Then there could be a really good buying opportunity at around $92. All right, so keep that one on your watch list as well. The next one that we're going to be talking about is Chewy. And Chewy, the reason why I wanted to follow up with Chewy, somebody asked about it when we were over here. When we were right, I think it was on the 4th, right after this bullish harami right here. Okay, I like that one. And then now it's just consolidated sideways. It didn't get annihilated through earnings, which is a great sign. I like it when stocks don't get crushed through earnings. Okay, so watch this one for a potential long to the upside. It had a good day yesterday, and looking at it pre-market right now, it's not doing too bad. So best case scenario, this thing consolidates and stays in between $80 and $76 for a while before breaking out to the upside and taking out these short sellers. Best case scenario. All right. So keep this one on your watch list for sure. I'm not bearish on it. It did well through earnings, which is actually very surprising to me. So keep that one on your watch list for today. The next one that a lot of you have been asking about is home, or at home, I should say. Let me change this thing to, there you go. All right. And now let's look at the stock. Let's look at the stock right here. The stock went up massively in the last 4 months, and now it's just consolidating sideways. Personally, I'm not too bearish on it. I would love to see the stock drop down to $12. I would. I really, really would. That would be nice for a dip buy, and then for a move back up to like 20. But as of right now, I'm just patiently just watching it. I'm on the sidelines just watching the stock to just go sideways for a bit. I'm not bullish on it. I'm not. It looks kind of bearish. There's a bearish engulfing candle on the chart right here. I see that right now. So I'm not. I don't have high expectations for this. This is gonna go on for a while. This zigzag that we're seeing, this zigzag motion that we're seeing, just a little bit more before we go on to the upside. Okay. So best case scenario, I see this. Worst case scenario, it just goes all the way down to like $8, which I don't think is going to happen. It looks pretty strong to me, but right now I'm just being very patient with it and waiting for the stock to show me what I want, which is exactly what I drew on the chart. Okay, so that's my very honest opinion for a home. For those of you who bought in right here, yeah, I don't really know what else to tell you. I guess I don't really know what else to tell you. I'm just waiting for this thing to happen. All right. I trade what I know, and when it presents itself and when I know exactly where it's gonna go. Right now it's just not too clear to me. Like, it could do this and then just collapse right over here and go back down to $5. It could. All right. It's a possibility. But as of me, as of for my money, I'm waiting for the stock to show me what I want. Okay? So, my very honest opinion of home, for those of you who asked about home. The next one that we're going to be talking about is GLSI. And I'm going to let y'all know right now, this stock had it has, it does not have options. That's number one. I wanted to point that out. The stock does not have options. And another thing, especially for beginners who were watching this, a lot of y'all who like to chase these hype stocks, a lot of you probably got in here, okay? The stock went up from like $3 all the way up to $146. Congratulations to anybody who made money on this, all right? Personally, I did not touch this. I didn't know about this. The stock doesn't even have options, so I'm not even looking at this. But looking at this thing right now, my very honest opinion is that the stock is going to crumble all the way back down to $20 where it belongs. That is my very honest opinion of the stock. Short sellers are not letting this one go. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of short sellers who got in here and who added over here and then added again near the close. So we're holding shorts all the way down, and they're gonna hold short again until the next week. Probably when the stock offers like a stock dilution, when they do a secondary offering and the stock tanks a bit more. This is not something new. It happens multiple times. Not very surprising. Every time I see this thing, I even posted on Instagram a while back. The stock did the same exact thing. And I specifically said, this is why we don't trade trash. All right? This is trash. We don't touch this. It doesn't have options. Okay? So, don't be surprised to see the stock back down to $20. That is my very honest opinion for the stock, for the person or for the people who asked about it. Okay. Now the next stock that I'm going to touch on is Lemonade, LMND, and Lemonade reached its price target, $110. All right. So for those of you who are able to make money on that, congratulations. Somebody asked me like, do you still think it's going to go to to $111? We were like over here. I hope you held. I hope you held or you added. Somebody else added to the position, and I was like, great job, great job. You paid attention. That's good. The stock followed option number two. All right, people are over here. I told you that it could go to 110 by option number one, or it could get there by option number two, right? And they got there by option number two. So for those of you who made money on that, congratulations again. Where is it gonna go? I'm not bearish on it yet. I'm not bearish on it until I become bearish on it. When I'm bearish on it, you will know. But as of right now, it's probably gonna go sideways for a bit, and then like later on, it may make another move higher. But as of right now, it's just chilling right now. Like y'all made profit, great job. Y'all can look at something else. You can trade the market, right? I don't think this is gonna make a surprising move anytime soon until probably like in a week or two. Again, we'll see what happens. But that is the end of the video. If you got value from the video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday through Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. And the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day from Monday through Sunday at exactly in the afternoon. In the afternoon. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, if you are a beginner looking to make some money in the stock market or just looking to get started, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4, it only takes about 15 minutes or less to sign up with everything you need to get started in the stock market. All right. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using the very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using the second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul and Guma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Be very careful out there. Again, don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.